JBL is injecting their live sound expertise into their headphones. The Synchros S500 was built on their extensive knowledge of how music sounds in a live venue. As a result, they developed LiveStage digital signal processing, which moves the soundstage forward to simulate a concert or speaker listening experience. Powered by 2 AAA batteries included, the Synchros S500 headphones deliver up to 20 hours of LiveStage-activated listening. What happens if your batteries run down? You keep listening. The passive listening option means your music will still sound rich and detailed even without LiveStage processing. If you have an iPhone or other Apple device, you're probably used to seeing headphones with inline remotes and microphones that work with these products. The Synchros S500 is no exception, but JBL didn't leave Android users out of the mix. These headphones come with a second remote cable for use with compatible Android devices. Both cables allow you to take calls with a smartphone as well as control playback and volume when listening to music. The miniplug connection in the left ear cup makes it easy to swap out one for the other. The Synchros S500S will attract attention with their pro-style looks, but these headphones go beyond mere fashion. With an aluminum frame, sturdy headband, and leather ear pads, these phones are built to last. They also offer enough comfort to keep you listening, whether you're working on a home recording project or just kicking back enjoying your favorite tunes. With JBL's pedigree for both live sound and home audio, these headphones are great for the studio or the living room. Thanks for watching New Tech channel. Stay tuned and subscribe for more videos.